Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's we talk to collaboration. Cloud environments enable better collaboration across teams, developers, cooperator, security, and product architectures are all exposed to the same infrastructure and can operate simply without spitting on each other toes. Cloud roles and permissions help with better visibility and monitoring on who did what and when to avoid conflict and confusion. Different cloud environments can be built for switching, postporting like scanning demo or per production. It's much easier to collaboration in a transport manner and the cloud engages it. Unlimited storage capacity related to the scalability benefit avoid the cloud has escapably unlimited capacity to store any type of data in various cloud storage type depending on availability, performance, and frequently the data has to be accurate. The rule of thumb is that the cost of storage goes up according to the level of availability of data. Performance and accuracy frequently creating and optimizing the cloud cost. Structure policy can reduce the cost of cloud storage significantly while maintaining the company's business goals related to data storage in the cloud. Backup and restore data. The fact that data can't be stored in the cloud without capacity constraint also helps with backup and restore purpose as end user data change over time and needs be tracked for regulation or complaints raised order software version can be stored for later in cases they would be needed recover or rollback. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.